Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to find, control, and delete the info in your Google account. You can limit your web activities and secure your data by adjusting some settings on your Google account. You ever have noticed that when you search on Google, then after some time you find similar suggested topics on Google? This means Google is tracking your web activity. Let's see the steps to find, control, and delete the info on your Google account. Open your web browser. Type myaccount.google.com/activity controls and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Log in on Google by using your email and password. As you can see, my web and activity is off, so I am going to click on this Turn On button. Then, click on the Turn On button again on the pop-up screen. My setting is on now. Let's click on this Set Up Auto Delete for Web and App History link. Right now, the Auto Delete feature is on. If you want to turn it off, then select this radio button of Don't Auto Delete Activity. I am selecting back the Auto Delete Activity feature and clicking on this Cancel link. Scroll down the page and click on Manage All Web and App Activity. Now, click on the Manage My Activity Verification link. Make sure that the radio button of Require Extra Verification is selected. Click on the Delete Activity By menu on the left side menu list. Here, you can manually delete your web activities. For demo purposes, I am clicking on the Last Hour option, and this will delete my web activities. Click on the Other Activity menu link on the left side panel. Click on the Go to My Activity link. On the My Google Activity page, you can turn on or off the web activity, location history, and YouTube history. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.